Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save Viber photos, videos, and audios directly to your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your Viber screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will open up additional menu options that aren't visible on the main navigation bar, giving you access to various settings and features that control how Viber functions on your device. Once you tap on More, you'll see a list of options appear. From this menu, tap on Settings. This is where all the customization and configuration options for your Viber app are located. The settings menu allows you to control everything from notifications to privacy, and most importantly for what we're doing today, how your media files are handled. Now within the settings menu, look for and tap on Media. This specific section controls all aspects of how Viber handles photos, videos, voice messages, and other media content. It's an important area because it determines whether your media stays only in the chat or gets saved to your device's gallery for easy access later. After tapping on Media, you'll see various options related to media handling. Here you'll find an option called Save to Gallery. This is the key setting that determines whether your Viber media automatically gets saved to your phone's gallery. By default, this option might be turned off, which means your photos and videos only stay within the Viber app itself. Go ahead and tap on Save to Gallery to enable it. Once you toggle this on, all the photos, videos, and audio files you receive or send through Viber will automatically be saved directly to your Android device's gallery. This means you won't have to manually download each file separately, and you'll have easy access to all your media through your phone's regular gallery app. And that's it, you've successfully configured Viber to automatically save all media to your Android device's gallery. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.